If you're having AC issues with your seat or Volkswagen Sharon, stick around until the end of this video. You can fix it yourself, right from home. If your car is blowing cold air everywhere except one side that blows hot, just like you see here, it's a problem with the temperature flap motor. Before we get into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Next, I'll show you two ways to fix this: a manual Climatronic reset and a step-by-step guide on how to replace the flap motor itself. Press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds, as shown on screen. This will start the calibration for all the flap motors, or in other words, perform a Climatronic reset. Use this method if you don't have a diagnostic scanner with you. After running the calibration, the output temperature increased instead of dropping. This indicates that replacing the flap motor is necessary. Running a diagnostic with VCDS revealed two fault codes, B108C and B1094. Next, I started replacing the flap motor located right near the driver's feet, as shown here. The motor is secured with 3 screws, and replacing it only takes about 15 minutes, something you can easily do yourself at home. After replacing the flap motor, only one error code remains: basic settings. I'll perform this calibration using VCDS as shown here, and you'll see the final result at the end of the video. I hope you found this helpful. In the coming months, our videos will become exclusive to subscribers only, so make sure to subscribe to keep access to all our new content.